In this video, I'll show you how to change the units measurements on your Fitbit Charge 5. So if you want to use kilograms instead of pounds, then you can do this, or kilometers instead of miles, whatever. Go into your Fitbit app on your smartphone. Now go and tap the top left corner here where your profile image is. Go down to App Settings. Now tap the units, and here you'll be able to select whatever units you want. So you have kilograms, pounds, ounces instead of milliliters, yards, meters, calories, Celsius, Fahrenheit. You kind of choose here. And when you're done here, all you have to do is go back again, go up on this screen, tap your Charge 5 here, go down and select Sync Now. It will take maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and this info that you modified on your smartphone app will be transferred to your Fitbit. Here we go. If this didn't work, by the way, just make sure your Bluetooth is connected. Okay, connected to your Fitbit Charge 5. If not, just make sure by going into your settings, okay, connected, press on this eye, and make sure this toggle is green, is at on position. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, whatever you want. I will see you in the next one.